Hello guys, welcome to my video, and today I am taking you step by step, or in this season I will be taking you step by step of how I settled in Turkey. And as you can see here, I have a vacuum cleaner. Initially, while in Kenya, I thought this was a luxury equipment, but here in Turkey it became part of necessities. This is because Turkey has seasons. We have winter, spring, and we have summer. So during winter, the floor of the house is very cold. But we have warmers, house warmers, but you cannot rely on them like 100% to keep you warm, because the gas or the electricity will be very high. So in this house I had only one warmer that was using gas, and when I'm at home I tried my best to limit the amount of gas I use, and that's how now the mats or the carpets comes in. So this is how the vacuum cleaner becomes a necessity, because you have to use a quality mat, a quality one, heavy, but also you have to observe the cleanliness for obvious reasons, health issues, guys. I don't want to have something at home to keep me warm, but at the end of it all, it's affecting my respiratory system because of the dust and accumulation of small things, and that's how the vacuum cleaner is necessary. I know there are people who will say, oh, you can just lift the mat and dust it off, but I think this is very unhealthy. It's better to vacuum. And also the mats are original, so lifting them almost like thrice a week will be very cumbersome and might also affect your health. So that's why the vacuum cleaner became a necessity. So I have just received the vacuum cleaner. It has just been delivered. You've seen the paper that I've removed there, showing the address and everything. And here it's me. I am here trying now to look for ways of connecting the vacuum cleaner so that I can use it. The challenge here, the challenging thing here is that most information is in Turkish language. So mostly I am observing the pictures and how the drawing is shown as instruction, so that I may be able to use my vacuum cleaner. And I will show you everything, guys. Keep in touch. my god, I didn't know how to adjust this thing. I am totally confused. I don't know what to do. I want to clean. I want to sample my equipment. I want to sample my vacuum cleaner. I just don't have any idea how to place this thing. Okay, so I'll just try and fix things out with time. You see, guys, it's really effective and helpful. Even though I didn't fix uh, the sweeping thing well, but it's really effective, and I am so happy and proud of myself that I got this for myself. I am very proud of myself. With time, I will fix things out. I will assemble the vacuum cleaner in the right way so that it's easier for me. Okay. You see, guys, my house was very dirty and dusty. You see the amount of dust and that the vacuum cleaner has collected in those few minutes, because I had just moved in and there was some constructions, like trying, like the TV area was very dusty. So I hadn't cleaned when the people who came to fix the TV did their work, finished their work. So my house was very dirty. Thank you guys for watching.